How to create a Timo Club account. Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a Timo Club account. To create your Timo Club account, all you need to do is open up your Timo right here. Once you open up your Timo right here, next thing we need to do right now is click on login with Google right there. Or you can either log in with Facebook, TikTok, or any of this right there. There you go. You can log in with the number as well, as you can see the phone right there. Now we're gonna log in with the Google. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. After choosing the Google account that you want, for example right here, chosen that. Now we're gonna put in mail, confirm, birth date. So let's just put in a random number, let's say 30, and then let's just leave January and maybe 2004 to confirm, and then click on next. After doing that, now you have yourself your team account. So you go to your settings location to grant your permission to team, otherwise it may affect normal use of the app. So right now we're just gonna cancel it. As you can see right now, there you go. We have ourselves a Timo account right here. Turn on notification to never miss important social update and reward, as you can see right there. Now we're just gonna close on that right there. Oh, so now it's giving us the tutorial, and now we're here. Once we're here at me, you haven't uploaded avatar, so we're gonna go upload our avatar right here. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So I think I've uploaded my avatar now. We just need to refresh. There we go. We have uploaded our avatar right there. So anyways, there you go guys, that's how you create your account here on Timo. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, type it down question below guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here on How to Rock It guys. I mean here on Guide Glimpse guys. There you guys, see you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.